Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are all fine. This is your Mohsin and Siddiqui, and you are watching APS Mohsin and Siddiqui YouTube channel. Students, in this lesson, we will going to discuss lesson number two, that is my shape location. And also, we will just draw a triangle in this lesson. So, take a look. But before you are moving, please open your book and page number 45 in front of you. In that lesson, basically, we need to know that how you will basically move your shape just like that. And before we are starting, so first take a look. I have something for you. Here we have. This is a very easy and you can say understandable graph table because you have the screen in small basic which will start from the 0 until 400 in x-axis. X-axis means the width, basically which is left to right, which is horizontal position. And what about this one? This is basically belongs to your height, vertical position, we call the y-axis. So here we have some shapes. If we are basically moving this shape towards the screen, so we will just take a look. Students, first of all, you need to basically understand that if you want to draw any type of shape, you need to basically move your shape according to this. Like we have 0 till 400. Yes. Now move the basically right to 50. This basically you can say the easiest procedure you have in your book. So let's play the game. There is a thief who just robbed the bank. You are a police officer. Now, what is the easiest and the shortest path to catch? So here is basically the rock, and now you will catch the thief. So you will just moving towards the path we have given in the graph. You just go there like you are on basically 50. So you will move on the right, and then you will see the 200 value, which is upward, which is we call x-axis. Okay. Now, if I am moving this shape towards basically here we have some tricks like you can move like this, like this, like this. But normally we are using the smallest and the shortest part. So we will just have the right value, the right side. You can see here that if we are using that shape, so we will test the thief. So here is the procedure. Now, what is basically the procedure in the book? So first you will see, he said that you will move right 50. So I will just move right 50 here and then go down 50. Go down 50 means you will just have, if you are in 0, so you will basically first come here and then move to 50. 50 means here is the basically value. And then move to right to 100. Now I am moving towards the right 100 and 100. 100 means there we have the value 100 of y-axis. Then move the right to 150. Here we have basically 150 value, which is from the x-axis. And then after 150, you will go down 150 again. So here is the 150. See, then the next command is move towards the right to 250. But if we are going towards the 250, 250 is here. But go down to 200, 200 means here. So can we catch the thief? Yes, no. So we will move on to the previous step. Again, see, option B is the basically, normally you can see the shortest way to catch that thief. So I will just creating the shortest way to basically catch that thief. He said that you will write just 200. So I will just move on to the 200 and then 250. 250 means here we have. So we will catch the thief. This is the shortest and the easiest way to catch that thief. So understand that you will just basically move in the screen, you will just follow the graph. Okay. So remember 0 till 400, that basically that is horizontal position which is belongs to x-axis, and 0 till 300, which is basically the vertical position which belongs to y-axis. So I hope you will understand easier way. And my topic is basically give you that you will just check the direction of that, basically the shape, the movement of the basically small basic. Now moving towards the next position, I hope you understand this. This is our next page, page number 46. You have something like that. Already this is paid up, but you will check by yourself, like we have seen the rectangle in front of you. Now, x-axis and y-axis is better to know that we have three heads basically in the triangle. Now you will see the basically x and y-axis are already mentioned. So we have three heads. Number one is here, number two, number three. So take a look first because we will take the head number one is this because it will start from here. So we will check the head number one is here. The head number one has two values, x-axis and y-axis. So here you have checked that value that in the first head you have the value of 200 in x-axis and the 50 is basically y-axis. So I will write here just like 200 comma and the 50. This is the value of head 1. Now moving towards the head number 2 because it will go down and then you will see the point exactly we have the head number 2. Head number 2 basically in x-axis we have the 100 value. So we will write here 100 comma and then we have the y value is 350. So head number 2 basically is 350. So value of head 2 is 100 and 350. Now the last one, that is our head number 3. Now head number 3 also have a two values. First you will check the x-axis that is 300, comma, and then you will check the y-axis value that is 350. It's so simple. See, so we will just check that how many heads we have and then we will check the locations and you can see the values of x-axis and y-axis. So exactly the same procedure you will draw the shape, moving and also drawing shape, triangle, rectangle and as well. Now this is your exercise that you have activity. Can you tell us what the name of the other two heads are? We already mentioned here that x is 100 and y is 350. So head 2 means this one. So you will check head 100 is the x value. So here is the x value. And head number 2 y value is 350. So we will mention 350 here. Head number 3 we are going to discuss about this. We already mentioned that this is our head number 3. The value of head number 3 x-axis is 300, which is already wrong here. You just type and write here 300. And now you will check the 350. 350 means here is the value of y. So we will take the 350. So this is very simple. You will check by yourself and you will clearly understand that how you will draw a shape, how will you move the shape like this. So here we have an exercise for you in the book. Write down the four heads of the following square. So here is some basically exercise values. You will check because square means four heads. Check this one. Now head number one basically is normally two heads of above and two heads below. So here is our head number one, head number two, Head number three, and head number four. This is by your choice that you will just check the heads over there. So now you will fill according to this that how many x-axis and y-axis value you have in front of you. So solve this exercise like already this is filling by someone. So you will check by your own. Maybe these values are basically wrong. So you will check by yourself. So students, this is very easy to understand that how you will check the basically procedure on page number 46. So fill it according to your yes, according to your position. So I hope you understand this topic. So this is your task. I'm not going to fill this. So page number 46 is done. And inshallah, we will meet you in the next lesson. Take care and Allah Hafiz.